Hello, friends. Every recommendation I'm going to give you has been tested in the shop where I'm at, so don't worry. This has a solution. If the message iKey system error appears on your Nissan, don't panic. Even though it sounds like your car decided to take a vacation, it's actually telling you, hey, I can't read my key properly. Basically, your vehicle isn't recognizing the signal from your smart key, and for safety, it may prevent the car from starting or let you drive only with caution. The most common cause, according to mechanics, is a weak or dead key fob battery. Yes, that small CR21032 battery is more important than it seems. If it's low, the key signal doesn't reach the car properly, and Nissan triggers the error. Many mechanics confirm that replacing the key battery fixes the problem instantly, so this is always the first step to try. If the key has a new battery and the error persists, the next suspect is the car battery or a loose wire. Several mechanics found that checking the 12-volt battery and making sure the connectors are secure made the message disappear. Some cases even involved bad fuses or loose antenna wires, which, once reconnected, allowed the car to recognize the key correctly again. Now, if all of the above fails, the problem could be in the iKey antenna or the control module, BCM. This module is like the brain that connects the key to the car. If it's misconfigured or damaged, no battery will save the day, and at that point, it's best to take it to a professional service center to recalibrate or repair the module.